In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch videos with students in a Google Meet. This is a handy skill for educators who want to enhance their virtual classrooms with multimedia content, making lessons more engaging and interactive. To begin, your first step is to navigate to Google Meet. You'll want to do this using a web browser on your computer, where you'll type in meet.google.com to get started. Once you're there, you'll see the main Google Meet homepage displaying various options. Next, look towards the center of your screen for the button labeled New Meeting. Clicking this will present you with a few choices, and for our purpose today, you'll select the option to Start an Instant Meeting. This choice is perfect for impromptu sessions where you need to quickly gather your students for lessons or discussions. Once your meeting space is set up, you'll be greeted by the meeting interface. In the lower right hand corner, there is a button labeled Present Now. This is your gateway to sharing content with your meeting participants. When you click this button, you'll be given different options to choose from, such as sharing your entire screen, a window, or specifically a Chrome tab. For streaming videos, I recommend selecting the Chrome tab option to ensure the smoothest playback, as it optimizes the audio and video quality for everyone in the meeting. After selecting Chrome tab, a window will appear showing all your currently open tabs. Browse through the list to find the tab containing the video you want to show. It's important that you've pre-opened this tab and queued up the video you wish to play to prevent any interruptions or awkward pauses while you search during the call. When you'll find the right tab, just click on it to highlight your selection. Once your tab is selected, look for the Share button in the pop-up window and click it. This action will begin streaming the chosen tab directly to your meeting attendees. They'll be able to view the video just as you do, complete with any audio being played, making it a seamless way to incorporate multimedia into your lesson. Before pressing play on your video, it's a good idea to check in with your audience to ensure that everyone can see and hear the video clearly. Sometimes bandwidth limitations or technical glitches might require you to make minor adjustments, like pausing to troubleshoot or even resharing the tab. So there you have it, a concise guide to watching videos with your students during a Google Meet. This simple process opens up a world of educational opportunities right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching.